Hey everyone, and welcome back to Lakshay India. Today we're diving deep into a career path known for its crazy hours but even crazier paychecks: investment banking. It's a highly competitive field that demands a very specific set of skills and a whole lot of hustle. If you're ambitious, driven, and dream of working on Wall Street or Dalal Street, this video is your roadmap to success. We're breaking down the entire journey into 10 actionable steps. So, if you're ready to learn how to break into this lucrative field, buckle up, smash that like button, and let's get started. Your journey to becoming an investment banker starts way before you even apply for your first internship. It begins with a solid academic foundation. Having a strong grasp of mathematics, economics, and business studies in high school is crucial. A good undergraduate degree in a finance-related field is your entry ticket to the world of finance. A degree is great, but to really stand out, you need to go beyond the textbooks. Master financial modeling, valuation techniques, investment analysis, and risk management. And don't forget those soft skills. Communication is key in this field. Internships are your golden ticket to gaining practical knowledge and building a network. Start applying for internships at banks, financial institutions, or consultancy firms. These experiences teach you the ropes and make your resume stand out. Many aspiring investment bankers choose to pursue advanced education, specifically an MBA in finance. Additionally, certifications like the CFA, FRM, or CAIA can add serious credibility to your profile. Remember what I always say about networking. It's not just what you know, it's who you know. Start building your network early on. Connect with alumni, attend finance-related events, and leverage platforms like LinkedIn. Building relationships is key to opening doors. You've got the skills, the experience, and the network. Now it's time to craft a killer resume and cover letter. Highlight your internships, certifications, and technical skills. Tailor your resume and cover letter for each job application. Personalization is key. With your resume polished and your network buzzing, start applying for those coveted entry-level roles, typically as an analyst or associate. Be prepared for a rigorous interview process that includes both technical and behavioral questions. Congratulations, you landed the job. Now, the real work begins. Investment banking is notorious for its demanding hours and high-pressure environment. Continuously learn about the financial markets and stay updated on industry trends. Build strong relationships with your clients and colleagues. As you gain experience and consistently deliver exceptional results, you'll have opportunities to climb the career ladder. Seek out promotions by taking on challenging projects and showcasing your leadership potential. Consider diversifying your skill set by exploring different areas within investment banking. The world of finance is constantly evolving, so never stop learning. Stay updated on the latest developments in global financial markets and consider pursuing additional certifications. The more you invest in your professional development, the more valuable you become to your firm. So there you have it, a comprehensive step-by-step guide to becoming an investment banker. This career path requires a unique combination of education, technical skills, practical experience, and a strong professional network. It's a challenging but incredibly rewarding field, offering the potential for high earnings and a dynamic work environment. If you're willing to put in the effort and stay committed to your goals, you can achieve your dream of becoming an investment banker. Good luck, and I'll see you in the next video.